In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Figma design into Squarespace with ease. Whether you're a designer wanting to showcase your latest project or someone keen to maintain visual consistency across your web pages, embedding your Figma projects into Squarespace is a fantastic way to achieve a streamlined, professional look. So, let's dive right in. First, start by opening your Figma account and navigate to the specific design template you'd like to integrate. You'll want to have a clear view of your project here, as this is the design you'll be using in your Squarespace site. Once you're on the desired page, you're ready for the next step. Next, look for the Share button. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the Figma interface. Clicking Share opens up a menu with several sharing options. Here, we're particularly interested in grabbing the embed code, so let's proceed to the next action. Within the menu that appeared, locate the option labeled Get Embed Code. By clicking this, Figma generates a unique piece of code that will represent your design on other platforms, including Squarespace. This code acts as a bridge between Figma and your website, ensuring that your design is accurately reflected. After you click Get Embed Code, you'll be presented with the actual code itself. Click on the Copy button to ensure you have the code saved to your clipboard. Having this code handy is crucial for the following steps, as it's what you'll paste into Squarespace. Now, switch gears and head over to your Squarespace account. Within your Squarespace dashboard, navigate to the area where you'd like your Figma design to appear. Look for the ADD block option. This is where the real integration begins. Click on it, and a menu will appear offering different types of blocks you can add to your site. From this menu, select the Embed option. This choice confirms that you're intending to introduce content from an external source, in this case, Figma. Once you've clicked it, find the Edit option within the Embed block. This avenue will allow you to make modifications to the content to be displayed. In the editing window, find the Code Snippet section. This is where the magic truly happens. Click on Embed Data to access the space where you'll be entering your copied code. Paste your previously copied Figma embed code into this field. This integration instantly ties your Figma design with the space on your Squarespace site. Finally, after pasting the embed code, don't forget to click on Save. This step ensures that all changes are securely applied and that your newly integrated design is ready for public viewing. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly embed a Figma design into Squarespace. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you effortlessly merge your creative designs with your Squarespace site. Happy designing!